I will share to you. Day
Okay.
3, it's time and time. Mm. Okay, so Tono, we're talking here. Let us have free talking. You're gonna ask questions and you're gonna ask me. Okay, so let us have time. Okay, so what is your most favorite time of the day, Tono? The one that you really like the most?
I
Morning, afternoon, or lunch?
think
Or
it's
evening, evening.
evening or afternoon.
Ah, you like evening or afternoon? Okay. You like evening or what time in the evening?
I think it's mm, 8 p.m. or 10 p.m.
Okay. So it's 8 p.m. and
10 p.m.
like after dinner. Like after dinner?
Yes.
Okay. You want after dinner. Okay. So my time, okay, what is my favorite time, Tono? My favorite time also is evening and of course, okay, I love to work in the evening. I am an evening person because my nerve cells will function in the evening. But of course, teacher and works in the morning because I am a teacher. I have to go to work like 8 in the morning and then I have class at 10 in the morning and then 1 in the morning. Then until 2, I don't have class anymore. So my subject, I am teaching 4 subjects only, 2 subjects every day. So 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon, 2 subjects only every day. So the rest of it, it's free time for teacher Anne. So that's why I asked if you have time at 2 p.m. because teacher is free at 2 p.m. And then, but then after that, when I get home, I am so busy. Today, yesterday, Tono, I am so busy because I find I'm looking for Jillian's outfit. Jillian's will join the summer class for
Oh,
modeling and public speaking. So that's why teacher is really, really busy. I am quite busy.
how old is how old is she?
Jillian is 13. Yeah. So,
I think her is 30 in grade 8.
yeah, grade 8. How did you know? It's grade 8.
I think I I take a cake
Mhm.
next to the put fire away and I think so.
Ah, okay. Okay, yes, yes, yes. Okay. So that's why teacher and is really quite busy. Okay, so I am really busy. Then that's why. Okay, so I have to find time for Jillian too. Okay, so 3 p.m. Today is 3 p.m. I have to pay. Okay, so here let us have this one. So that's why yesterday teacher keeps on finding outfit. It's very hard to know. I feel so tired. Okay, you know already EM and PM. Okay, do you know the meaning of AM when someone say, what time you will go back to school, Tono? Oh, it's 10 a.m. What time is our class, Tono? 10 a.m. Do you know the meaning of AM? It is, the meaning for AM is anti-maritime. It's anti-maritime. It's AM, anti-maritime. It means morning. Okay, post maritime, that's PM. Remember ha? PM, that's post maritime. It's afternoon. Okay?
And
So, uh, Vietnam, what is the time in Vietnam there?
um, is is 11 to
Mm-hmm.
to 25.
Okay, 11 to
25.
okay, it's 11. Mm-hmm.
How about what?
11:35, 10:35.
Yes.
10:35. In my country, it's 11:35. We are 1 hour advanced than Vietnam. Okay, we
Oh,
are 1 hour advanced in Vietnam. If it's 10:35 in Vietnam, it's 11:35 in my country. Okay, 1 hour in advance. That's why when Teacher Ann said 10 a.m. to no, it is 11 a.m. in my country. Okay?
oh,
Yeah, okay. So, what is the meaning of EM again? EM is, what is AM? EM is a-
and I,
anti,
I think
anti-maritime, right? PM, what is PM? It is
with
post.
most 8
Okay, post, what is PM? It is post
very deep. Post very
maritime. Okay, wait me, ha. Okay, that's the meaning, Tono. The meaning for anti-maritime and post-maritime. Okay, it's AM. Of course, it is in the morning. Okay?
deep.
Okay, so you know this already, the days of the week. Okay. So when you use use on before day of the week. Like, we got appointment on Tuesday. You will say, ha, on Tuesday, on Monday, on Wednesday, on Friday. That's on. Okay, this one. I don't know. This is the conversion of Vietnam. Tang one to tang tang tang. This is correct.
Yes.
Tang one. Okay, what is tang? What is tang in Vietnam?
Today is May. And in Vietnam we say tháng năm.
Ah, tang nam. What is tang nam? It is May.
Yes, May.
Ah, tang nam. May. That's May. How
Yes.
about June? What is June?
June in Vietnam is tháng 6.
Tang sao?
Yes.
Ah, it's June. So today it's tang May. Tang nam.
Yes.
It's tang nam. Ah, tang nam. It means May, month of May, month of May.
Yes.
Ah, okay. January, how about January? What is January?
January we say tháng 1.
Tang mo.
Yes.
Tang mo. Okay, tang mo is January. In my country, it is January. In my country, it's Enero.
Oh,
Yeah, it is like here. Look at this one. This is Enero. Next is Febrero. Oh, Marzo. That's Abril. Okay, it's May is Mayo. Uh, Mayo, yours is Tangnam. Tangnam, that is month of May. In my country, it's buwan ng Mayo. Buwan ng Mayo. It's month of May. Month of May. It's buwan ng Mayo. And
oh,
June is Junio. Junio, Julio, Agosto, Septiembre. Septiembre. It's Septiembre. And October, then November, then last is December. December, it is buwan ng December, it's month of December. Okay, just like rhyming words. But in Vietnam, it's very different. Like Tang Nam, it's month of May. It's very different, very far. But in my
yes.
country, Tono, it's buwan ng Mayo. Mayo, it's May. Okay? You can see that the month, our month started with the same letter. Like January, it's Enero. February, Febrero. March, Marzo. Okay? So these are the name of our month. Okay. Would you like, okay, so you used to invite someone or make polite suggestion. Example, Tono, you will invite your friends. Okay, you will invite Tono, me or Messi to come to your house. You will say, okay, one thing that you will invite a person or a friend in polite suggestion, polite, it means you're doing it good. You will say, hi Tono, hi Me, would you like to come to my house? That's nice. That's the good thing that you will gonna say. Okay? Okay, now give me example, Tono, how you will invite your friend to go to coffee shop. Okay, what will you say?
Mm, would you like to go to shopping shop?
Would you like to go again? Would you like?
Would you like to go to the shopping shop?
Okay, would you like to go to the coffee shop? Coffee, it's coffee shop. Maybe you will drink tea. Would you like? How about if you were gonna invite Messi to the party? What will you say to Messi?
Mm, hi, Messi. Would you like to go to the go to somewhere?
Hi, Messi. Would you like to go somewhere? Like we were gonna watch movie or in the cinema, right? By the way, did Messi go to your house? Went to your house before?
No, yesterday, hi, Messi. No, can't go to my house.
Yeah. Messi had class with me like 11 p.m. already in my country. That's 10 p.m. in your country.
Oh,
Because her mom said he will be late. I don't know. Maybe I forgot. He will be with someone. He will play. He will play with someone. I don't know.
oh,
He did not come to your house. He did not go to your house.
yes.
Mm. How
He,
about Nye? What time Nye goes back home?
he goes to her home at 8 p.m.
It's late already. 8 p.m. I thought she was gonna sleep in your house.
Yes, because her father go to the Japanese and
Mm.
her brother to go play with friends and her mom is at home alone.
So that's why. Nye will go home, go back home.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand. Okay. Do you know uncountable nouns or no? Uncountable. Do you know uncountable nouns?
Mm, yes.
Mm-hmm. Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted. You cannot count. How about water? Can you count the water?
No. We,
No, of course.
yes. We
What other uncountable nouns that you know? Uncountable nouns. What are other uncountable nouns?
I think is rice,
Rice, what else?
rice, uh, wind, rain, and some verb. I don't know anything.
Okay, like flour, milk. You cannot count milk. Juice. Except if it's in the bottle already. Okay, the juice is in the bottle, in the glass. You can count how many glass of juice. 3 glasses, teacher. But if it's not in the glass, you cannot count. Rice, you cannot count the rice. Water, you cannot count the water. Unless water is in the bottle. Okay, how many bottle of water, Tono? Oh, teacher, there are 5 bottles of water. Oh, you can count because it's a bottle of water. Okay? Now
Mm,
here. Okay. Please write here. Example ha. there is a big battle on the table. Okay, how about number 2? What is the answer? There is or there are?
There are many chairs in the living room.
Okay, there are because it is.
Many and the chair we can count.
Yeah, okay, how about number 3?
Three is there are because the cats we can count.
Okay, many cats. Okay, 4.
Four is I think is there is because furniture we can we can
One
contact.
only. There is furniture. Okay, 5.
Five is yes there is because one.
Mm-hmm. 1, there is. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have here, Tono, let us lessen the conversation. Okay? Minute, Tono.
You're late.
What time is it?
2 minutes after 6.
I'm not late. 2 minutes is not late.
Yes, it is. It's 2 minutes late.
Oh, look. It's 5 to 6. I'm early.
So, for your birthday on Saturday, there's a great French movie at the Avalon.
There's a baseball game on Saturday night.
Or there's a play at the Arts Center at 8 p.m. Life is a dream.
The Tigers are playing the Giants. You know, baseball?
Oh, look, there's a Mozart concert on Saturday. Would you like to go?
What time?
7:30.
The ball game's at 7.
Oh, wow. There's a talk by the writer Ellen Lee at the university
On Saturday night. Is your birthday on Saturday?
No. It's your birthday. Would you like to go to a baseball game for your birthday?
A baseball game. That sounds great.
Dai! Jillian! Okay. So, what do you think they are talking about? Okay, can you understand? You want to listen again?
I understand. I forgot on my mic.
I forgot. Okay, this one. Okay, let us listen. And after that, we will read the conversation together.
You're late.
What time is it?
2 minutes after 6.
I'm not late. 2 minutes is not late.
Yes, it is. It's 2 minutes late.
Oh, look. It's 5 to 6. I'm early.
So, for your birthday on Saturday, there's a great French movie at the Avalon.
There's a baseball game on Saturday night.
Or there's a play at the Arts Center at 8 p.m. Life is a dream.
The Tigers are playing the Giants. You know, baseball?
Oh, look, there's a Mozart concert on Saturday. Would you like to go?
What time?
7:30.
The ball game's at 7.
Oh, wow. There's a talk by the writer Ellen Lee at the university
On Saturday night. Is your birthday on Saturday?
No. It's your birthday. Would you like to go to a baseball game for your birthday?
A baseball game. That sounds great.
Okay. So let us read here. Okay, I am Cheryl Tono and you will be Bob. Okay, are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, so Cheryl, you're late.
What time is it?
2 minutes after 6.
I'm not late. 2 minutes is not late.
Yes, it is. It's 2 minutes late.
Oh, look. It's 5 to 6. I'm early.
Oh, so for your birthday on Saturday, there is a great French movie at the Avalon.
There is a baseball game on Saturday night.
Or there is a play at the Arts Center at 8 p.m. Life is a Dream.
Tiger are playing the gun. You know baseball?
Oh, look, there's a Mozart concert on Saturday. Would you like to go?
Time.
7:30.
Ball games at 7.
Oh, wow, there's a talk by the writer Ellen Lee at the university on.
Saturday night. Is your birthday on Saturday?
No, it's your birthday. Would you like to go to a baseball game for your birthday?
A baseball game. That sounds great.
Okay, now, Tono, who has the birthday on Saturday? Is Cheryl or Bob?
It's Bob.
Okay, what Bob wants to do on Saturday on the birthday?
Bob want to go what? Want to go the baseball game.
Okay, wants to go the baseball game. Okay, that is Bob. Bob wants to go the baseball game. Okay, but Cheryl likes to go a lot, right? Many plans. Okay. Okay. So let us have here and please answer the questions. Okay. Okay. You can write your answer, Tono, on the chat box about these questions, the one we talked about the video. What time was Bob appointment? Okay. If you find it hard, you ask me to, okay, play the video.
Okay.
Dahil kabangis ate day.
Teacher, can we listen again the video? Okay, then.
You're late.
What time is it?
2 minutes after 6.
I'm not late. 2 minutes is not late.
Yes, it is. It's 2 minutes late.
Oh, look, it's 5 to 6. I'm early.
So, for your birthday on Saturday, there's a great French movie at the Avalon.
There's a baseball game on Saturday night.
Or there's a play at the Arts Center at 8 p.m. Life is a dream.
The Tigers are playing the Giants. You know, baseball?
Oh, look, there's a Mozart concert on Saturday. Would you like to go?
What time?
7:30.
The ball game's at 7.
Oh, wow. There's a talk by the writer Ellen Lee at the university
On Saturday night. Is your birthday on Saturday?
No. It's your birthday. Would you like to go to a baseball game for your birthday?
A baseball game. That sounds great.
Can we listen again, teacher?
You're late.
What time is it?
2 minutes after 6.
I'm not late. 2 minutes is not late.
Yes, it is. It's 2 minutes late.
Oh, look, it's 5 to 6. I'm early.
So, for your birthday on Saturday, there's a great French movie at the Avalon.
There's a baseball game on Saturday night.
Or there's a play at the Arts Center at 8 p.m. Life is a dream.
The Tigers are playing the Giants. You know, baseball?
Oh, look, there's a Mozart concert on Saturday. Would you like to go?
What time?
7:30.
The ball game's at 7.
Oh, wow. There's a talk by the writer Ellen Lee at the university
On Saturday night. Is your birthday on Saturday?
No. It's your birthday. Would you like to go to a baseball game for your birthday?
A baseball game. That sounds great.
teacher.
Ash. Okay. What time was Bob's appointment? It's about 5 to 4. Okay, atras. Okay. Was Bob on time? Okay, Bob was 5 to 6. Actually, Bob was not on time because Cyril said he is late. Oh, he is late. Okay. And which place was a great French movie? In the Avalon. Okay. Okay. When is the baseball game? It's 7 p.m. Correct. What is playing at 8 p.m. at the Arts Center? Okay. I forgot about this. Okay. 6 is the Tigers and the Giants are part of the, what is it? Part of the baseball. It's baseball team. And when does the Mozart concert start? Okay, it start at what time? Saturday night. The same time with the baseball. That's why Bob cannot go to the Mozart contest. Okay, next one. Okay. Okay, so we have here, Tono, about your daily routines. Okay. Can you give me, Tono, what are your daily routines? Okay. You do like this in the chat box. You write your daily routine like this. Okay. Look at this as example. My day begins very early in the morning. Okay. You do your daily routines. What do you do from morning until night? Okay. Just simple. Do not make it many, Tono, ha? Simple daily routines. I wake up. I brush my teeth and then go to school and then go to no or like that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, go Tono. Oh, Ay, okay, you're done, Tono? Not yet? Almost? Oh, ano yun?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, finished. Okay, I get up at 6 in the morning. It's early, so I am very tired because I have to go to school. I brush my teeth and have breakfast at 6:30. 6:30. I go to school about quarter to 6, quarter to 7 maybe. And I have to play badminton with my friend at my school. Starts at 7:15 and finishes at 10:30 in the morning. I go to his house to have lunch and take a nap. Oh, I back my school at 1:30 in the afternoon because I have first lesson at 2. I finish school at 4:30. Oh, 4:30 and back my home. I have dinner with my family. I open watch TV. After dinner, I go to bed at 9 or 10. 9 or 10, you go to bed. Okay, wow, you have a very busy day. Okay, so every lunchtime, you stay at Miss house?
Yes,
Yeah, Miss house is near the school.
yes, it's near the school.
Oh, like you were gonna walk only?
At noon, I go to my house, have lunch, and take a nap at at school day.
Okay. Okay, so you ride a bus or you ride anything? You ride motorbike? You ride motorbike?
No,
Okay. Okay. So thank you so much, Tono, for today. Okay, I know you're very busy because you told me you wake up 6 and then you go to bed at 9 or 10 in the evening. Oh, very busy. Okay. So, yes. Okay. So I will see you, Tono, on when? On Friday. Okay. Next week. So maybe on Friday, Tono, 6, I will check if I can have class with you at 6. Okay, wait, ha. 6. Okay, maybe. Okay, I will just message you because teacher and will go on travel on Friday. Okay, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I will go for a travel. Okay, I will go on travel. So maybe we can have class night time. Okay?
I
Okay.
mm,
But wait, Mitono. When will the end? When will be your summer?
I have summer vacation after Wednesday or Thursday.
Thursday. So Thursday and Wednesday. So you didn't have class anymore.
Yes,
So next week or week after next, you will be free. Okay? Yeah.
yes,
Maybe if teacher cannot have class with you on Saturday and Sunday because teacher is busy, maybe if we cannot have class in the afternoon or morning, we can have class in the night or maybe we can have class on Monday next day, next week. Is that okay? Because Monday, you don't need to go to school.
yes.
Hey, yeah. Thank you so much, Tono, for today. Okay, give my regards to me. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.